Have a midlife crisis? Well, stuff that for a joke. To those so-called friends who told me a proper midlife crisis involves buying a convertible, getting a mistress, or growing a ponytail and being that old leery guy at nightclubs, well, stuff that for a joke. I actually asked ChatGPT whether a midlife crisis is necessary. It said, well, stuff that for a joke. I checked what Trump said about his midlife crisis. He said someone stole it. Stuff the midlife crisis thing altogether, I say. What you're seeing here is part of my approach to not having a midlife crisis. Get a bike and explore. Feel the air rushing through your hair. Well, hopefully not. Something's gone wrong with your helmet if that's the case.
How far along are we?
Not a lot.
We're about halfway to cargo.
Australia's a bloody big place. It's big like the number of boxes at Mar-a-Lago holding classified material. Actually, it's big like the number of guys in their 50s driving convertibles. Nah, hold on. It's big like the amount of grease in an old leery guy's ponytail. That's friggin' ginormous. And disgusting. Anyway, I should have started this exploring years ago. But back to this midlife crisis thing. Maybe it's unavoidable and someday I will have one. And when I do, I'll be ordering hair extensions and a sports car. But how on earth does the hairpiece go with the convertible? It doesn't make any sense. Some of my so-called friends even said it was okay to wear a button-up cardigan and lycra bike shorts. Not at the same time, that would just look stupid. Sometime in the future I could age gracefully, my friend said. Take up lawn bowls, start wearing socks with my sandals, get a scrotum tuck, transition to adult diapers one day. Well, stuff that for a joke. No one's tucking my scrotum, tickling it maybe, but not tucking it. Midlife crisis my ass. I'm not doing any of those midlife crisis things. If anything, I think I'll actually cut my greasy ponytail off and stop going to nightclubs. To be honest, the Me Too movement has really hampered my strike rate. Okay, calm down. I'm joking. The strike rate is fine. Okay, I think that's it for now. Go away and grease up your ponytails. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.